No go. Hey guys, Tony here, Edgy's vlog. Hope all is well. Doing a short review on my BMW 335D SE. Should have got the M Sport at the time. There you go. So I'm here just tell you what's been done to the car, how the car is, what I like about it, what I don't like about it. So here we go. Right, first of all, I got the car. It was did some horror stories with the swirl flaps actually breaking apart and falling into the engine and destroying the engine. So my first port of call was to actually get the swirl flaps blanked off, deleted, which I did myself. Plenty of YouTube tutorials on that. It's not a bad job. It's okay to do by yourself. Then there's a thermostat. I've changed the thermostat on there. Styling of the car. There's M4 front bumper on there. We have a 1M rear bumper on there. We have the M3 skirts. Then the next port of call was the power. Ecotune, Scotland. Amazing. Stan is a god. He knows them cars inside and out. I had a stage 2 sport cat fitted. If you're wondering why I'm looking away, I've got my son holding a board up to give me some pointers on what I'm talking about, so bear with us guys. He had the stage 2 sport cat fitted, a Wagner intercooler, and then had a live map done by Stan. The end results for that were 380 bhp, 701 newton meters of torque, 506 foot-pound of torque, which is, for a diesel car, it shifts on. It's not the fastest car I've had, but probably one of the most reliable, one of the most enjoyable cars I've ever owned, and the only car that I can think to replace this afterwards would be a Nissan GTR. So fingers crossed, work hard, you never know guys, just might get one. Then I went down to Santa Pod. I was able to put down a run of 13 seconds and a quarter mile. The problem is then, the rear shocks, very soft for the age of the car. I wasn't able to put down the power correctly. I had the wrong tyres. I played around with tyre pressures, trying to get better times. Didn't work, so straight back to Demon Tweaks. I had fitted the Bilstein B6 shocks. I put an Ibach Pro Kit springs. That has really made the car a lot better handling, able to put down the power a lot better on the back. Going forward with the car, I mean, if you guys think you can get a BMW 335D with a manual gearbox, you can't. They just don't do it. Automatic box. Very unsure before I bought the car of the auto box. To be honest, I wouldn't have it any other way now guys. Absolutely awesome. Put in DS, to me the gearing's right. I've not had anything done to the gearbox apart from a service. Obviously once I had the car tuned, I had a gearbox service and whatnot. Problems with cars, I had one injector fail. I've had that, and I've had the caliper sliders seize on me, which is quite an easy fix if you know what you're doing. So all in all, the car to me is a fantastic car. I still get really good MPG. It's been one of the most reliable cars I've ever had, and it's just fantastic. I don't have a bad word to say. The only problem I have is, as I mentioned, what car do you have after this? Because it's so good. The footage you'll see now is done with a camera drone, going around the Horseshoe Pass. Very good. First time I tried the follow mode on the camera drone, it was a bit nerve-wracking to be honest. So seeing your drone and you just driving off in a car, had my son sort of drone spotting. Hopefully that he stayed with us and not just fall at the sky. No, it was fantastic. Hopefully you guys enjoy the footage. It's obviously early days for myself. I'm trying my hardest to get this right. Hopefully make good viewing for yourselves. Any questions, please ask. I'll try and answer as best I can and let you know the pros and cons of doing this, that and the other, the tuning side of the car, as much as I know anyway. Yeah, that's it. Guys, please, I could do with please some more like, share and subscribes. And I can keep these videos going. So yeah, fantastic. Right, that's all from me. Thanks very much and enjoy the video. See you guys.